changed your mind about that Accenture application. No problem, let's get it withdrawn. First, navigate to the Accenture Careers website. The direct link should be in the description box below for easy access. Go ahead and click on it. It will take you there. Now, log into your account using the email address and password you used when you first apply. Once you're logged in, look for the My Application section. It's usually prominently displayed. In the My Application section, you'll see a list of all the jobs you've applied for. Find the specific application you want to withdraw. There should be a button or link labeled Withdraw Application or something similar next to that application. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to withdraw. Read the message carefully. If you're certain, click Yes or Confirm. After confirming, the application status should change to withdrawn, or the application might disappear from the list altogether. You might also receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your application from the Accenture portal. Now you are good to go.